Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do an unboxing and a little chit chat about what I exchanged my defective Louis Vuitton Empreinte Neverfull for at Louis Vuitton. You guys are gonna be so excited when you see what it is. I've talked about this so much on my channel. My name is Mama Beach. If you haven't been here before and you love handbags and designer goods, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you're notified of my videos, and also hit the like button if you guys like this video because it helps me out a lot. So definitely hit it if you like it. And without further ado, let me show you what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. You guys are gonna be so happy for me. So it came in this huge box, which I was kind of shocked by. I mean, it's really kind of enormous. And actually ended up getting 2 items because I had such a large credit from the Empreinte Neverfull. So let me show you this big guy first because it's the one I'm the most excited about. So of course I already checked this out, so I took the ribbon off, but I love that it came in the box. For some reason my Empreinte Neverfull did not come with a box. So when I sent it back, I didn't have a box to send it in. So I'm so glad that this one did. So here is what I got. It is the Neo Noe, and I got it in the noir trim. You guys know I've talked about this bag so much on my channel because I love bucket bags and I love drawstring bags, and this is like the most iconic one of those like ever made. So I was really excited when they told me they could do this exchange. I asked for it thinking they were going to tell me no because I feel like this is always out of stock online. And I'm always kind of peeking around to see if it's in stock, toying with the idea of buying it, and definitely considered buying it pre-loved. It just holds its value so well. It's almost not worth buying pre-loved because it doesn't drop in value that much. So let me show you real quick. If you're not familiar with this bag, I mean, I know so many of you are. This is like iconic Louis Vuitton. You can see it has a drawstring here. It opens up and you have a center zip compartment here. And then the rest of the bag is just a bucket on either side. It has a suede interior, which feels so nice. Actually, it might be microfiber. And then it has this amazing strap on it that can be shoulder length, or you can lengthen it to be crossbody. And honestly, once I got this strap and started playing around with it, the design of it is genius. I mean, it's a really nice strap, and I plan to use it with a lot of my other bags, honestly. If you guys want to see like a what fits or like a model, a mod shot video of this bag, let me know in the comments section. I know there's so many videos out there about the Neo Noe. I don't know that it's worth it for me to do, but if you guys want to see that, I would be more than happy to put it together. Okay, this is the other little item I picked up, and this is just kind of something I threw in because I needed to spend my credit, but it's something that I've always thought would be so functional for me. And I really think it's going to be after seeing it in person. So of course you just open up the drawer here. I love these little drawer boxes. They're just adorable. And here is what I got to go with my Neo Noe. This is the zippy coin pouch, and you can see it's not really a coin pouch. I don't know why they call it that. It's a wallet. It's a small wallet, and you can see it has card slots on both sides. It also has a larger slot behind the card slots, and it has a center slot. So you guys know I carry a lot of smaller size bags, and I'm always looking for a good wallet that's small, that packs a punch. And the design of this just looked absolutely perfect. Plus it looks incredibly durable between being the coated canvas on the outside and then being this kind of Saffiano leather on the inside. I mean, I think it's just gonna hold up really beautifully and be a super functional piece for me. So that's why I decided to pick this up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. I always appreciate your support here. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you have not subscribed and you like Louis Vuitton or any designer handbags or accessories, definitely hit that subscribe button and join me for my future videos. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.